Hello, my friends. I am Katie, and welcome to this bedtime Qigong flow for a deep and restful sleep. Start by standing feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, spine tall and long, and the crown of the head pointing up to the heavens. We are going to start today's practice by setting our intentions and tapping on some acupressure points to further calm and relax the body and mind. Starting on the chest, repeat after me. I am fully present in this moment. Taking this time to prepare for a restful and deep sleep. Inner eye, I choose to quiet my mind. Outer eye, releasing any worries about tomorrow. Under eye, letting go of my to-do list. Upper lip, and knowing everything can wait. Chin, this is my time and I choose to let it go. Collarbone, and allow my mind and body to feel at peace. Side of the body, it's safe for me to relax. Top of the head, preparing myself to close my eyes and fall into a deep, restful sleep. Place one hand on the heart, one on the lower belly, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a slow breath out through the mouth. One more time in through the nose, and out through the mouth. Allow your arms to hang loosely by your side, and notice how your mind is already starting to quiet. Inhale, hands come together, interlocking fingers and pushing and stretching up to the sky. Exhaling, he as you come down to the side. Inhaling, interlock, stretching tall. Exhaling, letting out a he as you slowly drop your arms down. This is the healing sound for the triple warmer, and making this sound sends a vibration through the body to clear tension and calm the mind. Inhaling up and exhaling he as you come down. With this movement, you can visualize collecting any stress or unwanted thoughts for the day and pushing out and clearing while making this healing sound. Stepping out slightly wider, placing your right hand below your back. Inhale, bring your palm up and push it to the side. Inhale, scooping. Exhale as the palm brushes across the front of your body. Inhale, scoop, and exhale, brush across the body. Keeping your focus on your hand as it moves from the bottom of your body all the way brushing across the top. Making sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed. Shifting your weight from side to side as your hand moves. Palm faces in as it comes across. Then coming down, we scoop and brush across, palm facing in. Inhaling and exhaling across. Rotating sides. Inhale, lift the palm. Exhale, push out. And inhale, scooping across the body. Exhale across. Again, keeping your focus on your hand. And shifting your weight side to side, moving as your hand moves. This is a single-handed variation of cloud hands, and it's great for stress relief and insomnia, stops the mind from racing. It also helps to circulate qi throughout the entire body. So getting the qi out of our head, all of that energy out of our head, and bringing it throughout the rest of the body. Allowing that chaos in our mind to quiet. Now exhaling across and inhaling scoop. Exhale, floating. Bringing up the other hand, exhale, push down and rotate up. And inhale across the body. Exhale, push down and inhale as you float across the body. So rotating your arms and allowing them to float across the body like two clouds. Keeping your focus on the top hand and moving with your breath. Exhaling and inhaling across the body. Your hands acting like soft pillowy clouds, allowing your mind to drift away, any stress or concerns drifting away, and being fully relaxed in this moment. Exhaling and inhaling across, dropping your hands by your side. Inhale, scooping up the chi, and exhale as you sink it down through the center of the body. Inhale, scooping up chi, energy, and exhale, sinking it down the body. Place your hands on your lower dantian and stand here for just a few breaths. Feeling calm, feeling peaceful, feeling present. Breathing in and out. In all the way down to the belly and softly out through the nose. You can stay here in this position as long as you'd like, but this is where I will leave you for now. As always, thank you for practicing with me. I wish you all a restful night. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.